Okay, we have, while on a tour in Rome, Bonnie saw that the temperature was 35 degrees Celsius. She's used to temperature in Fahrenheit, so use this formula below to find out what the temperature of 35 degrees Celsius would be in Fahrenheit. So because it's given to us in Celsius, this has to go in place of the C or Celsius. It's not going to go in place of the F. The F is what we're trying to find. So we put C in place of Celsius, we get 35 equals 5/9 times F minus 32. So we're just substituting in that 35 for Celsius, and then we're going to solve. So at this point, we could distribute through that 5/9, but I'm kind of thinking, and it would work just fine if you did. I'm thinking it might be easier though to multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. So 9/5 here and 9/5 here, because it'll cancel on both sides, or it'll cancel on that right side, just leaving us with the F minus 32. And on the right side, it works out so nicely because, here, let me make it a little bigger here. We have 9/5 times 35 over 1. Because this cross cancels, 5 can divide by 5 and by 35. So 5 divides by 5 once, by 35 7 times, and then we just multiply. 9 times 7 is 63 over 1, or just 63. So again, it would work either way. You could distribute it through and get the correct answer that way. Yeah, it's kind of nice to flip and multiply, and it did happen to get rid of the fractions. Okay, now we want to finish solving for that Fahrenheit. So we add 32 to both sides. Those cancel, we end up with F equals 95. So our answer then is 95 degrees Fahrenheit. So if the Celsius is 35, Fahrenheit will be 95. Now remember, you could check this. You could put it in and say, okay, 95 minus 32 times the 5/9 and make sure it equals 35.